everybody, this is Brian with Brian's Outdoor Videos. Today at the farm we trying to get ready for our 2018 wheat harvest. Had the combines out. Hiya Cat was just here going over everything, checking for common wear items, replaced a few parts. Got a lot going on today. On top of that, we're trying to finish side dressing corn. There's Dad fueling up the sprayer over there. And hopefully we'll be in the wheat tomorrow, but thought I'd share what we have today. I'm fueling up the combine, greasing everything. And then this storm started to roll in. Looking pretty nasty back that way. Almost guarantee you that by the time I get everything put away, clear off, we won't get any more rain. It's looking pretty nasty. On day 3, we ended up getting like 2.5 inches of rain while I was greasing the combines, getting everything ready to go. So doesn't look like we'll be doing wheat today or tomorrow. Hopefully, if we don't get any more rain in a couple of days, we'll get after it. Hey guys, today we are getting ready to change the oil in this combine. I was hoping that we'd be doing wheat by now, but it's rained every day for the last 4 days. I think we've had around 6 inches of rain, so hopefully there's still wheat crop left when we do get to it. That's what the status is for the day. Yep, we got it.
Oh, it's on there up there?
Yeah, I think it looks good.
Run that real good?
Yeah. This hose goes up to the bottom of the motor. That's how you drain the oil out. The combine holds 34 quarts of oil, so it'll take a little while. We'll have to put out buckets a couple times. But while we're doing that, we got to change the oil filter. We got to change the oil filter after that's done, and then we got to carry up a couple boxes of oil to replace the oil we're draining. It'll take a while. Here's where the motor is on the combine, and right down there, it's the drain plug for the oil. There's a little valve down there you turn, and that's what starts to flow down to the bucket below. And there's the oil filter we gotta change. Try to do that without making a mess out of everything. But while the oil is drained, my father's down there changing the tires out for his side-by-side. We don't have the proper power tools, but make do with what we got. In this case, we have a forklift.
Gears, back up, back up. Here we go. Here we go. What about?
Think we're ready for NASCAR yet?
Man, I need just one more change and I'll be ready. damn it. Oil everywhere.
That's paper towels.
Never fails. Never fails.
Eight and a half gallons. Combine's ready to go, and hopefully in the next video we will have some wheat harvest actually in it instead of some shop work. Till next time.